Galatoomaa.
Kabajamtoota hordoftoota keenya torbee turizimii Oromiyaa sababeeffachuudhaan Neepaal irraa namoonni asitti argamanii feestivaalii Irreechaa irratti akkasumas immoo torbee turizimii Oromiyaa irratti namoota hirmaatan keessaa sirbituun biyya Neepaal akkasumas immoo qindeessaan muuziqaa Neepaal namni beekamaan na biratti kan inni argamu haala kanaan bareedee Oromiyaa fakkaateetu kan inni nu faana jiru isa waliin turtii taasisna nu faana bu'a.
First of all, I would like to thank you because of your business. You come here to attend us, and I would like to thank the Oromiyaa Tourism Commission, Ms. Lelisa Dunga, and absolutely Mr. Hamza Gurio. Without him, we couldn't have been here. And as you said, that we are having a cultural exchange here. As a musician, as a singer, composer, when I observed the music of here and the music of Nepal, it is quite different method, but the melody is likely the same of the folk song of Nepal. I very enjoyed it. And then another most important thing is the culture of Oromiyaa and the Iricha festival and the message of Iricha festival and the Gada system. It impressed me very nicely. And then the people of the Ethiopia, people of the Oromiyan has a very open heart, and they have the smiley faces and the bright color. Oh, it's amazed. I feel at home in Nepal. Oh, actually, it is given by the Oromiyaa Tourism Commission. It's a very nice outfit. I love to wear this one because I am respecting your culture, and nowadays I'm a part of your culture. I'm a Oromiyan person. It's very comfortable and looks nice. I think you can judge me, right? Yeah, from the Richa we wear this one. We went to the Wanchi Lake to celebrate the Richa festival, and even in Addis also we went there with this outfit. It's amazing. It's very nice. Oh, the music is amazing. I have made some singers up here because I am going to do the collaboration between Nepali music and the Oromiyan music with the two languages within the one song. It is written by Hamza Gurio. We are doing collaboration, and then that's amazing. I heard the songs everywhere, even in the street, even in the buses, and I loved it. It's very nice. Actually, I am a student of anthropology and history also. I read about Africa, I read about the other nations also, and I'm a very anxious about the philosophy also. And when I come here, I read about the Oromiyaa, read about the other ethnic groups, about the Ethiopia, especially as we compare to the Nepal. Nepal is in that place which is top of the world, and Ethiopia in that place which is beneath of the world. So it's a nice combination from top to bottom, right? And then other thing is if you go to the historical side, Ethiopia never been colonized. So we are in Nepali also. Nepal, we are between India and China, and the birthplace of Buddha. It is never been colonized. It's similar. When I went to Wanchi, even the atmosphere and the landscape was quite similar. So I feel at home actually.
Do you try coffee?
Yeah, we did. This is the nice coffee, and I have read that the coffee started from here. Is it true?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. Agaro, wow, very fantastic. Because original coffee, the birthplace of coffee. You can see that the women fossils come each year. See that the richness of Ethiopia is very compactable. And I love the way of pure distribution for the culture. I love the young people are participating in Iricha. I love the masses of Iricha. Then one of my friends says that in Iricha festival, when you go to the river area to celebrate that one, you have to compromise your the negative thoughts. You have to ask your negative thought. You have to carry the positive. It means your forefather. I will say my forefather also, because I feel that my last birth maybe in Ethiopia. That's what your forefather, my forefather, has given a message that you have to be in peace. You have to be united, right? That's very very amazing. Thought, amazing philosophy given by your forefather to you. You have to take care about it. I'm saying that you have to carry the scientific innovation also. Without scientific innovation, without scientific logical third, we cannot be go forward. Okay, we have to go forward too, but we have to take our ancestors' policy, ancestors' philosophy. We respect our ancestor. If we respect our creator, definitely we'll be on that path from the philosophical, and the physical part will achieve that goal. And I wish it will be continue.
There is a lot of cultural foods in Oromia and
Yeah.
also in Ethiopia. Do you try our cultural foods?
It's very very nice. It's yummy. Okay, I feel very happy to have that. And some foods are similar to Nepal also, and it's very nice. I loved many things. It's quite similar. I can see the faces also, especially in a Tarai region. We'll have like your faces, but face doesn't matter. You stay in another continent, I stay in another continent, but important thing is our thinking. Important thing is the positivity. Important thing is humanity. Only the color doesn't prioritize. Okay, the color doesn't signifies the things. Yeah, unfortunately there is some differences, but we think, if we think from the philosophical side, we are same. We are the human beings. We have to take care of the other animal also, because as for the thinking, they say that we say so. Actually, we say that we so call it. We are the superior in the animal beings, living beings. So we have to care everything, but we have to note one thing: the ethnicity is important, but in one place, in one country, there are many many ethnic groups. We have to respect each and every ethnic groups. When we respect each and every things, we will be top of the box. When we were in a box, that can be our differences. When we go up to the box, there will not be differences. There will be only brothers and sisters. There will be relatives, and at last there will be only the human beings. We should be human beings. And my thinking is that, because I'm come from the Buddha's village, we used to think from the positive side and a logical side. If somebody says something, we should not believe in the right way. We have to observe and we have to contemplate. For example, if we read the books, if we hear something from the friends or the circles, it might not be 100% secure, and might not be 100% right things. In the books, it can be written on that atmosphere, which cannot be or won't be truthful for another generation. Even hearing this can be also, it can the person who delivered the hearing this, it can be forgotten. So we have to hear, we have to read, we have to observe, we have to visit the places, and then we have to contemplate. When we contemplate, then the result will come in the different way, and we have to put into the experiences. If it is good, it is fine, and it is beneficial to many people, then it's or solid, solid the result of contemplation or the analysis. So I say, and inwardly, I feel at home. I suggest all of the people here, all the youth people are here, carry your own ethnicity, carry your philosophy, respect the elders, love the younger, and respect the value of the society, love the country that like your father, forefather do. I know if we do this one, we will be in our very very profound life. Okay, Mr. Hamza, I call it him as a brother. He's my brother. As I say, we are born in a different path, but our mentality is the same. He's an author. He wrote many books. He is a film scriptwriter. He's the business person also. He stays in Australia. He came to Nepal to do some diplomatic works. I met with him and we discussed about these philosophical things, and he he delivered me the message of the Oromiyaa festival, and he initiated. He proposed to the commission, and then the commission has agreed with him. Because of him and because of tourism commission, we are here to celebrate the Iricha festival, to exchange the cultural things. He is one of the very very well positive person, we can say. He is very very nice person, and I respect him a lot. I respect the Lily Sadunga, the commissioner of tourism, Oromiyaa Tourism Commission, and I respect all the elders of Oromiyaa, Ethiopians. I love all the young people like of our ages, and I love all the young people or all the children of Ethiopia. It's as I said, I'm like your family. Okay, you are like my family. So you are most welcome, and especially Qubee TV, Mubarak. Thank you so much, and I would like to apologize. You are keep saying me to come here to interview, but we are too busy, and it's lovely to talk. And I say thank you so much from the top of the world, Everest, the Buddha's place, and the Ajit Ghising's place. I would like to say Yoya, Galatoomaa, Namaste, Fyafulji to everyone. Thank you so much. Galatoomaa.